Okay, so here's the box, here's the front, here's the top, the side, the back, the other side, the bottom. Now we're gonna open it. There's stickers on the side that easily peel off. So opening up, you can see a USB cable and the controller in a bag. So first thing you'll notice with the controller is that it has clear plastic. Other than that, it looks very identical to the one that comes with the Switch. Here's a side-by-side comparison. The one that comes with the Switch, the plastic is solid, while the one in the charge grip is transparent. So the Joy-Cons slide in very nicely. So this is the USB Type-C cable that also comes with it. It just plugs in on the top. You can see on the Switch that it shows the Joy-Cons charging right there when you go to the controller settings, and when I unplug the USB you can see that it stops charging.